Have you ever felt that intimacy diminishes with age? The truth might surprise you in this video. We're going to explore how practices like oral sex can enhance the quality of your sexual life and deepen your connection with your partner. We'll discuss not just the emotional and physical benefits, but also practical tips for creating a satisfying experience for both of you. It's essential to recognize that maintaining intimacy is a vital aspect of a healthy relationship. Especially as we grow older, engaging in oral sex can stimulate the release of hormones like dopamine and oxytocin, which help strengthen emotional ties and foster deeper trust between partners. The more comfortable you become with discussing your needs and desires, the more fulfilling your sexual experiences can be. Make sure to watch until the end to uncover how these practices can promote better sexual health, build trust, and keep the flame of intimacy alive as you navigate the beautiful journey of aging together. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a knowledge and confidence to embrace your sexuality and enhance your relationship, proving that intimacy can flourish at any stage of life. If you are not subscribed, I recommend subscribing and activating the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support means a lot to me. And if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. If you like the topic of this video, please comment 1. If you don't, please comment 0 to let me know how I can improve and make better videos for you. Now let's begin engaging in male member practices. An intimate activity, often surrounded by societal misconceptions and unwarranted discomfort, can truly enhance the connection between partners and significantly elevate the quality of their sexual life. Before we delve deeper, it's essential to recognize that this discussion is tailored for individuals over 50 years old, a stage of life where, what is philau? Experience and maturity profoundly influence our understanding and expression of sexuality. If you find yourself in this chapter of life, whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, I wholeheartedly invite you to stay with us. This is a welcoming space free from taboos and judgment, where we can explore the intricacies of our bodies and minds as we gracefully age. When we discuss male member practices, scientifically known as philau, we're addressing a form of oral intimacy that involves the delicate and stimulating interaction between the mouth, tongue, and male organ. Understandably, some may feel a wave of discomfort when broaching this topic, or believe it's reserved solely for the younger generation, a notion that sadly persists in our culture. However, the reality is far more inclusive, and beautiful couples of all ages partake in oral sex as a wonderful way to discover new dimensions of connection and pleasure, enriching their relationships in profound ways that go beyond mere physical interaction. So why should one consider engaging in this intimate practice? For many, oral sex serves as a gateway to a deeper, more meaningful level of intimacy, one that transcends the physical and delves into the emotional. Numerous medical studies have illuminated the fact that the act of giving and receiving pleasure through oral sex releases a cascade of chemicals in the brain, including dopamine and oxytocin. These neurochemicals are essential for nurturing the emotional bond between partners. Dopamine, often benefits of philau, hailed as the pleasure hormone, provides that vital sense of well-being, acting as a soothing balm that helps maintain a healthy and fulfilling relationship. On the other hand, oxytocin, known as the attachment hormone, fosters closer and more reliable ties between partners, creating an emotional cocoon that can sustain them through life's inevitable ups and downs. These two powerful substances work in harmony to reinforce trust communication, and a comforting sense of security among those who engage in these practices. From a psychological perspective, indulging in oral sex can offer significant benefits for couples, especially during stages of life when intimate relationships may begin to wane or evolve. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine revealed that older couples who continue to explore various forms of sexuality, including philau, report markedly higher levels of satisfaction in their relationships compared to those who confine their intimacy to more traditional methods. This finding speaks volumes about the importance of maintaining a vibrant sexual connection as we age. This is largely due to the understanding that sexuality encompasses so much more than mere physical pleasure. It acts as a vital lifeline, keeping the emotional connection between two people alive and thriving. The joy and fulfillment that come from shared intimacy can help combat feelings of isolation and loneliness that often accompany aging. Moreover, from a medical viewpoint, male member practices can directly enhance men's sexual health in various ways. Receiving this form of oral stimulation not only provides an experience of immense pleasure, but also encourages processes that contribute to maintaining reproductive health. Regular stimulation of the male organ, whether through these practices or other intimate forms, improves blood circulation in the area, a key factor in preventing conditions like erectile dysfunction. As the years advance, decreased blood flow to the sexual organs becomes one of the most common challenges for older men regarding sexual performance. Therefore, far from being a superficial or trivial act, this practice can be a vital component of comprehensive male health care. It's important to remember that sexual health is integral to overall well-being. Thus, fostering an intimate life can lead to healthier relationships and a more positive outlook on life. Naturally, this should always be approached with safety, consent, and mutual respect. Communication is paramount. It's essential for partners to openly discuss their desires, boundaries, and what brings them comfort. Ensuring that the experience is gratifying for both. As a sexologist, I often encounter comfort questions about how to practice oral sex safely and pleasurably. It's crucial to emphasize that there isn't a one-size-fits-all formula. Every couple and every individual has unique preferences, and that's where the beauty of open communication comes into play. Here are a few essential tips to enhance your experience. First and foremost, relax and communicate. Oral sex should be a serene and enjoyable experience. Take your time, breathe deeply, and remember that the key is connection. If any nerves arise, don't hesitate to share your feelings with your partner. Vulnerability can strengthen your bond and lead to more fulfilling experiences. Gently exploring the male intimate area is vital. It's a highly sensitive region that deserves patience and tenderness. The delicate caress of the tongue and lips can elicit waves of pleasure without resorting to hurried or rough movements. Enjoy the moment. There's no need to rush, as the journey of intimacy is just as significant as the destination. Don't forget to incorporate your hands. Many people overlook how using hands can beautifully complement oral stimulation. Experimenting with different areas of the member using both hands and mouth together can heighten sensations and deepen pleasure. This multisensory approach can turn the experience into a delightful exploration of each other's bodies, enhancing trust and intimacy. In the process, hygiene is also of utmost importance. Like any sexual practice, maintaining good hygiene ensures a more pleasurable experience and minimizes the risk of infections. A clean and fresh environment fosters confidence and openness between partners, allowing both individuals to fully enjoy the moment without distraction. Vary the rhythm too. There's no rule stating that the entire act must follow the same tempo. Changing the rhythm, pressure, and intensity can create new sensations, making the experience even more gratifying and exciting. This playful experimentation can rekindle the spark and keep the flame of desire burning bright. Regarding the direct benefits of sexual performance, studies have demonstrated that oral sex can be an excellent means to treat and in some cases prevent performance issues in older men. Regular stimulation of the male member improves blood circulation in the pelvic area, helping to sustain the health of blood vessels and avert erectile dysfunction. Furthermore, for men facing challenges, engaging in oral sex can bolster sexual confidence and alleviate anxiety surrounding their performance. The emotional and psychological boost that comes from fulfilling intimate interactions can help reduce the stress and pressure that often accompany sexual performance, creating a more relaxed and enjoyable experience for both partners. The crux of all this, as I've mentioned before, lies in communication. Couples who feel at ease discussing their sexual needs and desires often enjoy a more satisfying sexual life, translating into better emotional and physical health. Overall, the act of openly sharing your thoughts and feelings about intimacy fosters a safe environment where both partners can express their needs without fear of judgment. This emotional safety is essential for a lasting and fulfilling relationship, enabling both partners to explore their desires with confidence and mutual respect. In summary, dear friends, oral sex is not merely an act reserved for the young. Throughout our lives, particularly as we embrace maturity, we can continue to revel in a rich and fulfilling sexuality. We should not shy away from exploring new avenues to connect with our partners. Keeping the flame of intimacy alive and nurturing our sexual health male member practices are just one facet of the diverse range of experiences we can share when approached with respect, care, and open-heartedness. They can become a source of immense pleasure and well-being for both partners. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment one below to let me know that you are still here with me. So let's embrace this journey together, celebrating the beauty of intimacy and the joy of connection at every stage of life. Let us move beyond the constraints of age and societal expectations and instead focus on the richness of our experiences, the depth of our emotions, and the joy of shared pleasure. Life is a magnificent tapestry of connections, and intimate practices can weave even more vibrant threads into the fabric of our relationships. Remember, love and intimacy are not defined by age, but by the willingness to explore, connect, and celebrate our bodies and minds together. This journey is not just about physical acts, but about embracing each other's essence, cultivating affection and cherishing the moments that bring us closer. Let's honor our desires and celebrate the beauty of intimacy, allowing it to flourish in our lives as we age gracefully and joyfully together. As we wrap up today's enlightening discussion, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance of intimacy and the benefits of male member practices as we age. It's clear that maintaining a fulfilling sexual life is not just about physical pleasure. It plays a crucial role in enhancing our emotional connections and overall well-being. Throughout this video, we've explored how engaging in these practices can foster deeper bonds between partners, improve sexual health, and even boost confidence. So what have you learned so far? We'd love to hear from you. Share one key takeaway that resonated with you the most, and that you plan to bring into your life in the comments below. Your thoughts and experiences could inspire others in our community to reflect on their relationships and intimacy practices. Remember, intimacy is a vital aspect of a healthy relationship, especially as we grow older. By discussing and exploring these topics openly, we break down barriers and create a safe space for everyone to learn and grow together. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to leave your comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends or loved ones who might benefit from this information, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us create more content focused on intimacy, health, and living your best life as you age. Thank you for watching, and remember that intimacy is a journey we can all embrace together. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in our next video.